Induction heating uses an alternating magnetic field to generate localized eddy currents in conductive materials. These currents combine with the material's electrical resistance, magnetic properties, and ferrous makeup, produce heat through Joule heating and hysteresis losses. The depth and intensity of heating depends on the field's frequency, coil placement, and kVA output. For specific scope and code parameters, it can be a more efficient alternative to traditional heating methods and is an ideal choice for the oil, gas, and energy industries, where both precision and speed are vital. The primary benefits of induction heat treatment are time to temperature, temperature uniformity, and safety. Induction heating produces what's known as a heat-affected zone, or HAZ, that is evenly controlled throughout the component. The workpiece, in essence, becomes the heating element, allowing for an even temperature throughout. And in contrast to traditional heat sources, which expose workers to open flames, explosive gases, and hot elements, induction heating provides a safer work environment, primarily for welders during the preheat process, as heating coils remain cool throughout the duration of the heat cycle. By renting Miller ProHeat 35 induction heating equipment, you gain control over your schedules and costs, empowering your skilled workers without relying on third-party heat treatment contractors. You can reduce the time it takes to reach the required procedural preheat temperature, ultimately leading to faster completion of welds and other heat treatment tasks. Or you can always request our full service offering and rest easy, knowing that your job is being managed by the experts from start to finish. Superheat is equipped to take care of all your induction heat treatment needs. Superheat, advancing heat treatment for the digital marketplace.